This is a daily practice of mirror talk to affirm our sense of self-trust and belief in ourselves and where we are. As we listen deeply to our inner knowing, we align back to what matters most. Let yourself meet your own voice and heart and know that the movement led from that place of trust will guide you home. I trust myself. I begin again with knowing that my body is my home. I get to move in ways that honor me, that honor my needs and what it is that I want. I welcome the fullness of myself with each and every breath, coming home to myself with presence, with heart, awakening to each and every moment with kindness, patience, understanding, and a simple act of being present and being here. Here for all that arises, for all that's within me and around me. I welcome forward my heart, the light within me that continues to shine, that cannot be dimmed, that simply is constant within. Ever present like spirit, I stay rooted within myself. Even without knowing, I stay in trust. I listen and move slowly so I can see, so I can hear what's deep within me. I get to see what moves me, what leads me forward, and what welcomes me back, and what moves me away, and how I can come back into center within myself through and with my breath, through the remembering of my right to be here, fully allowing myself to be seen on the inside from myself. I see me. I see who I am, and I value each and every part of me, every element of my voice, every movement I make, every sound my body carries and creates, all that I hold within, all that I already am, and all that I welcome outward. I stand on the inside even when my body might not be able to stand. I rise on the inside, knowing my heart, knowing my truth. I hear the wisdom within me, within my body's knowing. I trust myself. I trust myself. I trust myself. And I can begin again in each and every moment. At any time that I unsee, I can come back into seeing. I get a chance to return to who I really am and what matters most. I matter most, and I stand in the dignity of who I am, knowing that I have a right to be here. I belong here in the fullness of my expression, in the fullness of my breath, completely whole as I am. I am worthy and of value. All parts of me matter and make up the whole of this universe. I am of the land just as the land is of me, free, expansive, and open, and here, constant in and with growth. Generations of life live within me. They plant me here. I get to choose to see, to breathe in all of me, to hear my voice and welcome myself back, no matter what was taken, no matter what was silenced. Still I rise on the inside, hearing and knowing my truth, meeting my voice and knowing that there's space here to sound forward and be in the safety of my voice, in the safety of my presence, in the safety of my breath, in the safety of being of life, of living life, and remaining here, heart open, eyes forward, welcoming all of me. If this practice has supported you and welcomed you back, like, share, and subscribe, and return again. And remember, you are already worthy, and you are already enough.